Ego be how say so.
I thought you forget. I'll give you no come.
Ego be how say so. My brother, my people.
My people, my people.
My people, my people. Be how get on.
Don't know this thing well.
My people, my people. Ego be how say so.
Yes.
Are you not hungry?
Hungry, man. Yeah, I'm hungry. Did you order pizza?
A few moments later.
Woo! Alright, guys. Now we want to eat dinner. Oh, today I don't know how I feel, but we're just trying to do a short video. Woo! See what we have here. Pizza.
We from pizza, but it's not a pizza.
This is see,
Chicken. From pizza company.
this is what we have today. I don't know. It's something upside down.
So this one is spaghetti, ham, and mushroom. The other
What
one
the
is spaghetti seafood. That one is BBQ chicken.
Now why do you use salt stick that you cannot open and tie this thing? Oh, this one is pizza chicken. A bit barbecue. I love this. Woo!
So this would be a dinner.
You buy two chicken.
This one is ham and mushroom. And then spaghetti seafood. For him, spaghetti seafood.
I love seafood. And we also have we enjoy.
Non-alcohol.
What are we celebrating today?
Nothing, no.
Seriously, nothing, and you we enjoy it all. See, we have Apollo. You see, Apollo wine. We're chilling. We are not celebrating anything, though. We are just
We're just
having
happy.
fun. Having fun, you know. It's good to have fun. It's good to be happy. There's no reason being sad. Yes. Kumila kusi deriba ruba.
Yummy, oh, yummy.
Oh,
Yeah. How does
Tastes
it
good.
taste?
it tastes good. It's not much spicy. The last time we ate spicy noodle, I nearly cried.
It's spicy. You want to try this? Try it. See, Nigerian men are not expressive. Abby?
Drink it now. Why keep on you?
How does it taste?
This one is mushroom. I don't know why I love seafood so much. This one is not. It's not. Yeah, it tastes good. Open your mouth.
This one, you don't even know how to feed someone, eh?
How will I know? Nobody feed me like
Like
feed
here,
myself.
like here. Put it down.
See your hair, even eating your hair. Don't pack your hair.
It's it. It's not eating.
Pack your hair, man. Eating. Pack this hair. Huh?
Hello.
It's not sweet, Abby.
It's okay.
It's not nice. Your own is much more nicer. Next time I will eat this one.
Mushroom, ham and mushroom. This is the same thing that we ate from.
But they mix it with spaghetti.
You know, mushroom soup is nice.
I don't know much about food.
Because before you only want to eat African food.
Because we like to eat strong food. Food that gives you energy.
So So this food don't give energy.
Oh, this food now. It's just like it's light food.
But for white people now, this is they eat this.
White people can even eat only biscuit and sleep. Biscuit sandwich, you know. Black people like to eat strong food.
That's right. You're strong. Strong, strong.
Ooh, only one shrimp. I can even count the shrimp now.
Maybe not up to 10. Abi?
Not up to 5, so about 4. Barbecue. I love barbecue.
Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken.
Because you don't eat barbecue, pork barbecue.
Oh. And this chicken is like premature. Abby?
I know, messy eater.
This is premature chicken.
It's premature.
Those small chicken are.
No, there's one chicken that is really soft. I not thirsty.
But I have to open the wine first, you know.
I'm asking you.
Now you are thirsty.
I'm asking you. I'm not saying that you should open. In Philippines, food business is good, but you need to be creative. You need to put some, drama.
Everywhere in the world, food business is lucrative.
But it takes,
energy, stress. Clear my mouth.
So now you want to be a pure baby. Big baby.
When you call someone a baby, you treat that person like a baby. Abby?
What do you want me? What do you want me to call you? Honey. Maybe no.
Don't touch me. If you touch me, I eat it. I can't give that. Are you a thief?
You want to play
Are
game?
you a thief, Abby?
Put it now. This is one.
Yeah.
In Nigeria, you have pizza company.
Not pizza company, but they have pizza, just like Dominion Pizza. They have this,
Domino.
not Dominion, like one name like that. But they have in ShopRite.
They don't really have their own.
Only in ShopRite they sell pizza. ShopRite is like a shopping mall.
But it's not a mall, it's a big supermarket.
That's small. So the corrected kiosk.
Hey!
1 minute restaurant. Open.
I'm scared though.
But to push it like
Don't even know how to open this.
I see you from here. Use your hand or use bio scissors there. Open. Why did you buy 2 chickens? Don't I ask you to buy only 1?
If you cannot finish it now, then keep it.
How much did I give you?
20.
You don't buy all the 20.
This one?
Only this one. This one is $2. Wow.
No, 2.75. It's almost 3 now. Okay.
Don't be scared. She's scared.
This one. Shower.
Don't be scared.
If Nigerian man will go to club,
I want to use it to wash hands.
Nigerian man, Like to show Though not all, but you know these small Nigerian boys.
Yeah. Yeah. Is this one grape or apple?
Grapes.
But green grape. We keep it on the floor. Watch your leg. Yeah. Let's toast.
Toast for
Life and prosperity.
great future.
More money.
Beer. Ego beer.
Ego be also so.
Ego beer, I would say so.
That's good
Serious?
though.
Hey, life's so good, eh?
You know, this one tastes like Rabina. You know Rabina? I think they don't have it here.
What is that?
It's just like drink too. It's very sweet.
Hey, if we keep doing this, we'll become very big.
What are you? You will weigh 200.
They're doing life food. Just wasted the 1, 2. You're eating bones.
Bones, is it not meant to be?
Bones, are you a dog? Eat meat, not bone.
I don't
Before
like,
I keep cooking for him, that he see how he eat.
I don't like.
I gain too because the way he eat, I follow.
That's why I tell you should stop eating.
So I should stop
See this
cooking.
This one the one you ate now, did you cook it?
No, but I cannot buy all the time, or you cannot buy all the time. So you want to buy all the time, so I cannot cook.
Life. When are you going to start water fast?
Maybe July 5th. 3 weeks water fast, so I'll lose 15 kilos or 10, 12 kilos. This man here will celebrate.
See, it's still taking more. See, yeah, she like good thing, though. Cheers.
Cheers! Bia okay, bia no. Ego bia say so.
I thought you forgot. I was giving you no canoe.
Ego bia say so. My brother, my people.
My people, my people.
My people. Bia okay.
Don't do this in the will.
My people. Ego bia say so.
Where is the other chicken?
Here, you still have it.
Give me now. You know what I'm asking you.
What will I do?
What is that thing again?
What will I do?
You ask me what you will do. Go and keep the cup. That's what you will do. I pour the last one.
You don't even say please.
Put water here.
Oh, please! Baby.
Which baby? Come on, give me water. Are you a baby?
Big baby.
Adult baby. My good cleaner. Oh yeah. Carry the thing. Give me water. You get this out.
Say please.
Give me water.
Please.
Please for what?
Can't even say.
Put water here, man.
Say please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please now.
No. Give me water now.
Say please now.
Why please?
Why not?
Please for what?
See, what if I do something is please say please.
So I should say please before you give me water.
Say please now.
And what if I refuse?
You're not drinking.
See this one. Give me water.
Say please, baby.
Oh,
Please.
see this one. See this one.
Please,
Baby.
baby.
It's not. Is it only baby? Put water, man.
Are you not happy?
Happy for what? Hey, God, we thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you, and
Alright.
have a good day.
Have a lovely weekend.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.